Here's a view of the basketball court at a park near my house. As you see, after the rainstorm, it's flooded, turned it into a lake. Now most of the flood is gone and the streets are cleared. Now this stretch of road right here was all flooded as well. But as you can see from the back, the court's still flooded, and unless you want to take a swim, we're not going to be able to use it for a while. I also usually bike around here as well. Anyway. It's still hot here, still in the hundreds, but because of the floods, it's made it more humid here. We don't really get that in the desert. But anyway, it's just how it is.